Okay, it is 5 in the morning. It's actually 5:40. I kind of set my alarm for 4 a.m., 4:50, and stayed in bed until the latest I could before everybody was wrapping it up. I'm parked on a row right now by the beach with a bunch of other van lifers, and we are going to caravan and head down together to Utah to go to Van Fest, which is just like a van life festival. They have these gatherings all over the US. Like there's another one called Descend on Ben, RTR. And I've known people who've gone to these and have had so much fun and like really great experiences, but I personally have never been to one. So I'm really excited. I don't really know what to expect.
Hi, baby. I love she's like so excited. Her little feet are.
Oh my gosh, you're getting all scratched. Her name's Piper, right?
Pretty good, no?
Okay.
You were looking for a way out. I made you take the long route. No, I just don't know how you ever found a way out. You said your love was all spent, but I'm not sure what you meant.
So probably not for like a few hours, but we'll see, or like bathroom break or something, so we'll just keep each other posted.
Don't know why you let me fall. I always try.
I've been using walkie-talkies. This is something I've done for the last couple years since I've been on the road when I caravan. It's just so helpful because sometimes you don't have service and you need to go to the restroom or you need to get gas and you need to tell the person you're driving with, but you can't call them. So walkie-talkies are such a van life essential for me, and the group of us all have walkie-talkies, and I think there's about 5 vans in our group, so we kind of stand out on the road. We have 5 big vans and we're all like following each other. And as we were driving, apparently we drove past another person who lives in a van named Alicia, who I don't know and have not met, but I just got a walkie-talkie notification. Basically, this girl saw us and recognized our friend Abby's van, called him and joined the group spontaneously and just like tagged along at the end. So I don't know, I just thought that was really funny. And so yeah, now we're just slowly adding on to the line here, and probably when we get to Utah in 6 hours we're gonna have like double the caravan.
He turns to God, and because Arjuna is very principled and because his karma is good, he's ready to go to the next step. He's fit to receive higher knowledge. Since it's our ability to empathize with Arjuna's predicament.
I also took a year of self-defense classes, and so
my ass.
yeah, so like I feel a little better with that too.
What's going on here?
What's up, Maria?
Are you guys having a little munchkin?
Do you want a bite? Do you want a bite of a sushi bowl?
I'm good. I'm so excited to have walkie-talkies now.
Oh my god!
Here we
I'm
all
so
have
excited. Do you have batteries?
It came with. I think it came with batteries. It came with batteries, right?
Yeah.
I don't mind rain or shine. You can always take my time. Throw it up against the wind. I'll thread it through your everything. don't care day or dark. You can always have my heart. 'Cause ever since I jumped on to any other song, yeah, I've got a feeling.
Oh, that's so nice.
Wow, that's crazy.
That's dope. How long did it take you to build it?
28 days.
What?
28 days?
This is my 5th van build.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
And I've done the same layout 3 times. So I'm pretty good at this layout.
Yeah, that
Pretty
makes
quick.
sense.
House. My baby. Yeah.
And you built it out all yourself?
I designed it and then like I have a company that builds them out.
Actually, like the back, where the tubbies, is our market bit. So that goes down, yeah.
What are you told? Minnie was a mother to
I know, it's a picture frame.
and I just lost the game.
Oh, I lost the game.
I just lost.
That's cool.
Should I be the dancing? Oh.
Wow, you really are. Yeah.
I love picking.
Okay. Did you like the school bus? It's both gotta take it.
I can't take you serious.
Alright, are we doing old man? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Where did you go, my friend? 'Cause I haven't seen you in a while. You must have got lost in your head, 'cause I really missed your smile. Do you remember it? Our great adventure. Do you remember it? 'Cause I know I do. We'd spend our summers in the wildflowers, dancing in the rain for hours. All we knew was how to have some fun. Imagination. Oh, how I've missed
futon, which is Phineas's home and everything. But yeah, no, these are the sheets I bought because like even the gray, I was like, I need to get something colorful because I love white and I couldn't do white because her black hair everywhere.
Yeah.
Play some music and have people hanging out, you know. Every time I look at it, I just get filled with so much joy. Yeah, I think it's just a really good reminder of all the memories and people that I have in my life that I really like want to hold dear. So now I have my phone with me and my pictures.
These years the shadows grow.
We have a nice little setup here. I know, isn't it? Yeah. We tried to put Abby's like my awning and it was
It was just a little windy and the magnets kept coming off, so I was like,
oh really?
yeah, and I was like, I don't want to deal with it.
Not today, Satan.
Yeah, not today.
Spring will come around. Wait, I don't wanna go.
Wow, I'm really like up to your shoulder.
Yeah, almost. Wow, that's funny.
Lonesome past. So I just wanna know. I just wanna hear you say that there's a chance.
Piper.
What happened?
Well, we went over there, we took a shot of vodka, and next thing we know, we're walking away with 2 dogs, so that's what happens, I guess. But they're so cute. But they're so cute. Okay, I'll get up there if you insist. Come here, come here. Oh, come here. Ah! You're so freaking cute.
Gosh, oh.
They're so stoked. Come here.
They are.
Come
They
here.
don't even miss their parents. They should just
They're like,
adopt
Mom
them
and Dad
forever.
are gone. What?
Crazy time, yeah, crazy time.
Twins.
Who's your best friend? Doc.
Oh.
Doc is your best friend. Good girl. Okay. Talk spin. Good boy. Piper, bang. Okay.
Piper, good job.
Walk, walk, walk.
That's so cute.
Up, walk, walk.
Oh,
Good girl.